What's the meaning of bedsitter? Bedsitter. Bedsitter.
Bedsitter. Bedsitter. A bedsitter, also known as a studio apartment or an efficiency apartment, is a self-contained living space composed of one main room that functions as a bedroom, living room, and dining area. The unit usually has a small kitchenette and a separate bathroom. Bedsitters are popular among single individuals, students, and young professionals who are looking for affordable and compact living options. The term bedsitter originates from the fact that the main room typically contains a bed that doubles as a sofa during the day. Bedsitters are prevalent in urban areas, where space is limited, and rental costs are high.